Join us at the Gator by the Bay Music and Food Festival for an authentic experience that brings Louisiana's rich and diverse culture right to San Diego Bay. We bring you a one-of-a-kind festival perfect for the whole family, and we can guarantee that you will start moving and grooving the second you hear the music. You can design your experience from over 100 diverse musical acts and special performances on 7 stages where there is plenty of room for dancing or just hanging out. And everyone is invited to join our daily Mardi Gras parades. There will also be 10,000 pounds of live crawfish trucked in directly from Opelousas, Louisiana, and a variety of Louisiana food and local favorites, including gumbo, jambalaya, barbecue, beignet, and more. So you get non-stop music, covered wooden dance floors, kids' activities, and southern food delights right on beautiful San Diego Bay. It doesn't get any better than this. And 5 of our stages offer a diverse selection of music that includes blues, salsa, rockabilly, country, and of course our signature Cajun and Zydeco acts to make the weekend a musical feast. Don't forget to download our special Gator mobile app for scheduling, reminders, and keeping up with your friends. And for something different, visit the Bayou Grove stage for an up-close, intimate experience with your favorite artist. And stop by the food demo tent to learn how to prepare your favorite Cajun food dish. At Gator by the Bay, you can always discover something new. And for you travelers, we're right across the street from the airport. I promise it will be an experience long remembered. Come on in, pass a good time. Aye.